Recently, a team of Experian employees from Orange County were joined by teammates from neighboring Blizzard Entertainment to raise money for the Orange County Child Abuse Prevention Center. Their challenge? Raise $3,000 and win trophies in the Muscle Beach Dead Liftoff taking place in Venice, California.
Hello, I'm Robert Thompson. I work for Experian in Costa Mesa. I've been working out with East Coast, West Coast for about 7 years now, starting with Scott at Experian on the 5th floor of a parking structure. Our corporate social responsibility arm is very involved with the community, and we're supporting the Child Abuse Prevention Center of Orange County. What inspired this was I learned that there's over 100 reported cases of child abuse every day in Orange County. And this center has been around 33 years, been providing support services for families caught in this cycle of child abuse. Our target this year is $3,000. Last year we raised $5,000, but we got started late this year.
Scott Brengel. I work at Experian in strategic finance in the competitive intelligence department. I've been here for over 10 years, and we have a little weightlifting club that we run here for the last, I'd say, 8 or 9 years. I help them to improve their lifestyles, to ensure that they're healthy for their kids, and they can run around and play soccer and do whatever they need to do in their daily, bring their groceries in one shot, whatever it is.
Jaime Scheffler. I'm with Blizzard Entertainment. I've been working out for 7 years, 8 years and change. I joined a year after Rene.
Okay. And is it your first competitive lift?
Out of the events organized by the gym, yes.
I work for Blizzard Entertainment.
Oh, of course.
Strongest geeks in the universe. I've been part of this boot camp since they started to incorporate the corporate wellness program at Blizzard.
So you think it's important for companies like Blizzard and Experian to get involved with the community and do social programs?
Oh yeah, there's a huge kind of stigma on geeks that we're the weaker kind, but that's not true. We get good training here, and we become one of the strongest, fittest people in the country.
Next, we all met up in Venice, and the competition was a huge success. Everyone on the team won their division and took home first place ribbons, and the team placed second overall. More importantly, Experian and Blizzard came together to raise this money, helping to lift families out of the cycle of child abuse. And there's still time to chip in and help them reach their goal. Congratulations, Robert, Scott, and the entire team. You did a great job representing us in our local community.